In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson AcuLaser C1700 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson AcuLaser C1700 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results you come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson AcuLaser C1700 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down underneath Product Setup, select the Epson Software Updater. And then you want to select the download button underneath of that. Once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher. Select yes. Close out of the web browser. And then you want to just follow along with the wizard here of getting your printer configured for your device. Make sure your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi already if you have the options on your printer settings to go connect to the Wi-Fi network. And then it should appear on the software updating utility from this page. You can refresh it if it hasn't loaded yet. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.